Good evening, everyone. So we are in Puerto de la Cruz. Take a look at this crosswalk here. This time we're gonna go up there. So there's a staircase. Yeah, that's a beautiful view here. Of course, you know, we are still in Puerto de la Cruz. And I would like to show you panoramic view from up there. So we have to work hard to climb up, and you know, it's worth walking. Of course, you know, I think it's 20 to 8 p.m. Here the sun sets at about 9 p.m. So there's a very long afternoon, and there we go. So yeah, well, this is a place called Barranco. Well, it's a kind of a ravine where water is supposed to flow, but there is no water at this time of the year. Okay, just let's dodge these ladies. You know, take a look. There are a lot of people trying, of course, not here, but right here. Yeah, they're trying paragliding. Of course, you know, I would never do that because it's so scary. But you know, it's so exciting. There are a lot of people here. And let's go up. It reminds me a little bit of, you know, the staircases you have in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And of course, you can find a lot of bars, restaurants. Well, I need to silence here because of the music and because of YouTube rules about copyright infringement. Well, it must be very good at night here. Well, it's good exercise, to be honest. Climbing up here. Well, sorry, I'm breathing. You know, you can imagine. But of course, it's worth it. Well, I envy the people going down. Yeah, and what makes things worse is the fact that we're obliged to wear a face mask. Well, I don't want to die, of course. And we're set. Well, this one looks like Brazil's staircase. You can find the titles of Agatha Christie's most famous works. Well, she lived here. Well, some titles are in Spanish, other ones are in English, and of course the last one here, the mousetrap. Oh, very nice residential area here. With a lot of shops. Yeah, some of them are closed at the moment because of the pandemic. Of course, I'm going to a place, I don't know, I think it should be something good. Let's move on. Well, it's pretty humid here. It's cool. I mean, it's warm, 75, but of course it's humid, and that's incredible. Okay, let's move on a little bit further on, and of course we're supposed to get somewhere. Well, somewhere interesting, I hope. First, we are out of the town center. Where the heck? I think that's the Mirador. And it should be very amazing here. The view, I mean. Over the Atlantic Ocean, over the town. And there we go. Yeah, we started from Playa Martianez, which is this one. And then we went to, this one here is Playa Martianez. This one here is Lago Martianez. And of course the view is pretty amazing. The sun reflecting. Looks cool. Yeah, this is the Mirador De La Paz. You can see other things around here. And of course, we can end the video here. I hope you enjoyed everything. Please subscribe, leave me a comment, and ciao for now.